Hey guys, so I'm going to be comparing the specs of the A15 Pro 5G with the Blackview A200 Pro. It's just a specs comparison video between the two beautiful mid-range smartphones. So you guys could feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about the specs of both devices and which you think is better in your opinion. So without further ado, let's just compare the specs of the two smartphones. So there we go guys, the Umidigi A15 Pro 5G versus the Blackview A200 Pro. Which of the two devices you think pack the best specs? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.